It's 7:30 in the morning and my closet exploded. I shit you not. See this massive pile of crap right here? It exploded and died. One more mess I've got to clean up today. Whoa. Scared the shit out of me, man. Sucks. I had a ghetto closet. Dixie, what'd you think about that? It scared you almost more than it did me. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Hi. Dude, I just got my first tattoo. Do you like it? What is this supposed to be, Samantha?
Two butterflies.
Two butterflies. Did you tattoo me? Is that starting my new sleeve, huh?
Yeah.
I just got tatted. You're funny. Now she's tattooing herself. This wind is crazy today. And this wind has been blowing like this all day long. It's crazy. Feels good though. I think we're supposed to get some storms or something, I don't know. Yeah. Don't really know what else to say now. Figures, once I get on camera, everything that I was going to say pops out of my head. Yeah, just like that. Anyway, here's the dog. Behave. Be good. Pigs. I'm gonna whoop you, Carmen. Better quit. I said quit.
Get up, Callie.
I'm afraid that fucking that thing right there is gonna land on my fucking head. Pixie. Hey. What are you doing?
Oh, I like your papa. Spider. Did you get too tattooed?
Samantha did that. I'm glad that stuff washes off.
It did. And look at
see your leg. What'd you tattoo on yourself? What's that? Another butterfly?
Yeah. You're twins. We're not twins.
Let's see your hand. She's tatted herself all up.
You didn't. I don't hold. How do you do that?
We've got some of the makeup crayons. Don't jump on her, Pixie. You'll knock her over.
I got a lot of boo-boo already. I got
it on my pants.
And Matt got on this Lego.
It'll wash off.
Not on doggies. I gotta go get Sadie.
Come here, Pix.
Come on, baby Pixie. No, go home. What's wrong with that?
Pixie.
They won't let me pat food.
Just steal.
What's this little kitten? Bad? No, Samantha. No. She will get you clean.
Don't pick them up.
I don't know.
But yeah, the wind's been blowing hard all day today. We're supposed to get some kind of storm or something, I guess. I guess this could be part of my Halloween update. I haven't really decorated anything else down here. I've got some more at my grandma's house that I'll show you later. I decorate in 2 places just about every year, so. But that's it for right now.